So today, you'll learn how to change the keyboard volume on your OnePlus 13. So you may have noticed that whenever you're typing something out on your keyboard, sounds should be coming out from it. So just ensure it's unmuted, and then you should hear those sounds. If you want to adjust the volume so that it's not loud so that it's quieter or louder, then this is what you need to do. So begin by opening the Settings app, and then under Settings, go to System and Updates. Tap on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards, and then tap on your Gboard. Next, under your keyboard settings, select Preferences. And then from here, you should see Volume on keypress. So in order for you to see this option, ensure that you have keyboard sounds enabled. Once this option has appeared, you want to tap on it, and by default, it's set to the system volume. If you want to adjust it so that it's louder, just slide to the right, and then ensure that you tap on OK. And then when you go back to your keyboard, it should be slightly louder. If you want to make it quieter, then you can use the same slider, and then just drag it down to the left so that it's quieter, tap on OK, and then go back, and the sounds should be quieter. So it's completely up to you to use that slider to adjust your keyboard sounds to your liking. If you don't know what sound you want to use, or you want to use the system sound, then just tap on default. Then once you've done that, it should switch back to the system default for your volume settings. And so now whenever you type something out, the keyboard should be set to the system default volume. So it's completely up to you to customize those sound levels to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.